whole members of parliament akwa tina form te second dagate fo a wo mudi agbo wo futuro yachi wo bi a wo bu mra so yachi wo bi a waye bibi a etia oman ne mra obi a ohye mra yaso obi abu sa mra kro na so sa nipa ne yachi no ne ade na fa mra kro na kwan so a mra shebe dwani ne se onti ase eti wakotena form e bonkro.
This is the minority we are looking up to build this nation. Why are they doing this? Yachi Chairman Wontumi. Who the hell is Chairman Wontumi? NPP MPs will sleep at Yoko until Wontumi is treated fairly. Monko busana ju say when eti eye Yoko office wo.
Meda for mama na wasemo akwa banfa mra de TV so send ne de kan ya we be pie me video so a meso say obe follow your page no de TV. Say we post video bi a obenye bi a hwe YouTube one so no obetima subscribe to our page now don say me adoma no so na e post video bi a wanya bi a share. Enu akromo ase ye buburuja enya asem keto a chema Wontumi ama ne hunu eno anam gusu a me de esomo no wamra eye bi na for Chema Wontumi ebe piemu e wan kana pompunu mantem no de no ho be kire ye enumu ne ehu se Yoko for so I invite Chema Wontumi a chese nei wo mo ache no na ansa na ombe grant ne bill no ene sika pupu do omode ato Chema Wontumi tiri so de na chese nya asem keto enu akromu asei aha ye buburuja ye na nya asem keto ehu se dom kumafo no eye oye kire chinchireche edit ya eye Yoko for se wo mo enja Chema Wontumi na Chema Wontumi enko ne sika na omode ato ne tiri so no esododo na ekame akoye se Ghana fo bebre ebisas na Chema Wontumi bone be na waye a enam so ama nei wo mo ache no a eho asema ye buburija wa Ghana ha sei no na no na deputy attorney general a your friend Dr. Justice Slimsai wode abetu jase Chema Wontumi bone a waye ampemfo ye hwehwemu e de afa ne ho no ebi ete say fraud na face no causing financial loss to the state and money laundering and no and ampemfo ye hwehwemu e de afa no mususu say Chema Wontumi edi sa bone no na enom na Chema Wontumi lawyer ye friend no lawyer Andy Apia Kubi won so de nsem bia betuja say wa chire mu wako deep to someone justice edi betuja deputy attorney general edi betuja no eho medofo yentie bi emra
the so last time I had etwetwe nkomo na enra gina na ye pesempo enkiate Chairman Wontumi enka said ho te say so wa he by yansanka when I yansanka we there yes about say you being the lawyer for Chairman Wontumi lawyer me pacho dey na ekro na kwa ko dru hifa.
No, with us, Michelle, what you put in now. They all say, Chema Wontumi, now, investigation, so called Yoko Foyen, Chema Wontumi are provided answers to questions that will be so far. Now, let me put it on record, sir. We know what they charge Chema Wontumi for any offense, except say, Yoko allegations of possible commission of offenses. Now, remember if you are allegation of maybe a way, of course, financial loss to the people. Just say, oh my God, Boka, San Omo, Ekanu, and no who should move. And you remove in fact, the new is common. Almost a better a second meeting with the numbers. Now, a whole application for bail. So, in numbers, you be necessary. You could see that almost player. And they said, my bail. Conditions that the bill on me 500 to 50 million Ghana cedis. Now, 50 million kilo, a different million, they sureties, a friend, a gentleman for hand. A different million, justification, or justification, a the Ebegu sasika no ayɛ ebi ato nsuo so aba. Eti ɛno na sɛsɛ inya nipa binom a ebedi de gyina mu a wɔn de adwafade a bɛso 50 million Ghana cedis. Eti ɛno ho na yɛgyina yɛhwɛ sɛ ebitumi nya saa nhyehyɛ. So far no yɛnya ɛmfa nkɔɛ na mmerɛ mu no nneɛma mmienu ɛna ɛwɔ. Baako ne sɛ yɛbɛnya saa nhyehyɛeɛ no de akɔ. Na baako ne sɛ yɛnya nso a ɛgye si ɛkɔ court na yɛkɔ bi si akɔ sɛ adeɛ na obi atu so no ɛyɛ very condition no ɛyɛ through hash ɛna ɔmfɛ nti court no hwɛ na ɔmo nte so. Nti court no te so deɛ a na deɛ yɛkɔduro no na yɛde ɛno na yɛsɛ yɛde kɔ. Nti yɛabɔ ahoboa a ɛnɛ yɛbɛfaale saa process no a yɛbɛkɔ court no ɛna yɛhwehwɛ adomfo bi so ɛbɛbɔ yɛ menya saa de nti ɛnɛ yɛ ahoboa kɔ office ne mpanyɛ bi wɔ meeting 10 o'clock a ɛsɛ sɛ ɔde saa japadeɛ no bi ba ne yɛde kɔ. Nti mekɔ no ɔdre ba ne nsa ka deɛ a na yɛkɔ anim a ɛnyɛ saa deɛ a sɛ yɛkɔ court na yɛkɔduma court ɛte stable no so na afei yɛsutiri kɔ anim.
Because Andra na budiano minority anas
Medafo Enra Mashibijafo dom kuma o yetro a wo mo eye no eno na Kevin Taylor and Yaa titi wo mo so ache o madwen e de afam ache se wo matutu bi pa e de amane eye dom kuma fo na nya asem ketewa na ansa na ebekwa kweti ensema Kevin Taylor e de tuja no ma menkamfo tap send enfama wo se wo send this kefa mo ne de abo man Ghana mu tap send ebeboa wo yi ankasa wo de abaya ne se obekwa Apple Store anase Play Store na wakwa download tap send e wo hodum in process o mebisa promo code na waba de pa TV e de ahye ho fiase fa your transactional ye nti wo hwe na emu no ye betena ma bonus e the account because by the party TV a wabo e the ahye ho no midi e de akosi abo ajewa donc ye nti ensem wa Kevin Taylor de tuja.
So what happened was that first day na some demonstration e o yoko na omko hyeja eko didi nko asesem ko attack journalists no they were paying people on the street to come there. Sikano mo wia no ebi gudam na nabi mu na emeska na nabi mu ena na di sika begu car boot ena omo che in the trunk of a car ena oba the 3,000 the 1,005 ko gina ho ne ko tweja to ioko nim. And this is the NPP, this is the typical NPP. This is the NPP we have been talking to you guys about every single day. It's a political party. They always think it's a gun of way Jimmy. And they always use Nkwasiafo for power. So you see the people, some of them there, no. Almost a jack. Me must be a demonstration. You buy no my iska. Intimate saba ajisika na mabejina okeke. Na so muka say yenshi dana na masha no. Me the adwuma yedi me. The NPP is a terrorist group. Now hwade bi om da eche ma Wontumi. You see, me ka kire NPP for. Yeah. Content creator. You see ende NPP MPs mo Ghana for matam sika eti omoka every minute, every second, every hour no. Omoja parliament na gu osa dien. Enye omo colleague parliament of a member of parliament ena yachi no. Omo say yachi chairman Wontumi. Inti sika na yama 88 pigs no to sit on their ass to talk about things that Ghana for here no. Nkwasiafo we say yenye. Ena Jimmy for we afenyo marking content creator. Maka kire mo say MPP omo Jimmy ewrade janko. So ya Ghana ni na offer MPP serious now wakura no problem o adwene. MPP is a group I have never taken serious in my life. Anybody who supports the MPP, anybody who is part of the MPP, anybody who believes in the lies of the MPP and part of the MPP. Miracle, I have never given any attention to such people. Never. Bibi wa MPP ni beka achira me abemi ya omwe Jimmy. This is a guy who is supposed to be in parliament. Today, standing in parliament, we were paying this cow to be in parliament to work in our interests. The 88 piglets, they left parliament and said, say, ye jumana de amo se omunya no. Kasongo Jimmy afenyo make no. Osimo omunya juma no parliament wo. Senka another parliamentarian who is part of the piglet, I would have understood. I would have been like, okay, it's fine. You are fighting for your colleague in parliament. Now, this is a businessman who, at the end of the day, has nothing to do with government issues in parliament. This is a private individual who, one way or the other, has gone against the law and a buyer channel. But afenyoma kini MPP for nkwasiafo we omo jimi a omo base na adwene wo fom nti. Sika na yetua afenyoma kini nde no. Afenyoma kin agi sika na di ena waje adwuma na to ena 988 pics reading the chino makota street mu say omo chante. Hey brother that go for. Kwasia we lead ejimi fo ni nyina say yankotena street mu ni enchante. O chante for the en. Adwuma na de man kwasiafo we hwe. And a whole woman Mami penyini Patricia Piejei ayesa na mfrɛ no Mami penyini with this 68 years hwene na yesisi form with this 68 years wa boko set ena ode ntomago ahye nufu ase ena wa hye skirt ontumi pon sori mbu nkotodwo me ka kyerɛ sɛ we ubɔ dogi obewu we na ye MPP for penyini odi omanim of parliament hwe bibi. Look at this. This is the minority we are looking up to build this nation. Why are they doing this? Yache Chairman Wontumi. Who the hell is Chairman Wontumi? Kwasia ben the Chairman Wontumi. Abua ben the Chairman Wontumi. Who is he? Doesn't he have family members? Only lawyer. Chairman Wontumi only lawyer. So why should people we are paying every single day to sit in parliament to work, Kwasiafo will neglect their job and go sit on a chair, and some sit on the ground and say they are protesting for Chairman Wontumi. Who the fuck is Chairman Wontumi? Shamami Penyin Toto way 68 years. After marking for 47 said Odi 20 obetuma wa afenyo marking time Odi 21 ko betuma wo Jimmy way. Na Mami Penyin Toto. Me catch them say MPP for Jimmy. These are not people we can build a nation with. Anytime we can say election 2028, you know, there's 87 or 86 no more. We need to cut it down to 28. How can we allow such ingrates, such myopic, disturbed group of filthy individuals who don't care about Ejuma Ediamomo? These people will sit in parliament and say ordinary Ghanaians. These are foolish people. In Kwasiafo better parliament, no matter say ordinary Ghanaians, and these fools we are paying them millions every single day. Some Kwasiasemo ko tibi wen. In Kwasiasemo we ko tibi wen. Ya mamu office se munye dwuma, ya the air conditioner to we are paying you per the minute. Mo de mon Kwasiasem asori abetena abontene tete nkonwa so. Apieje we ontumi mu nkotodwe. Okofo man kan kotodwe mbebu. Or to parliament, and this is what we keep telling Ghana for. This group of people from MPP for, you take them serious at your own peril. Me a call. I've never made or allowed NPP comments or anything they say about me to worry me. Never. Because in the first place, I've positioned my brain to say, Omo Jimmy. There's nothing Jimmy need to me affect me. No. And that is what we all need to understand. Abrewa poso onimu nyansa because otua santimemu the constituency no odi odwan kurasi so mbeto ama no enti she does not care any mamu no gotina angel fm no kan kwasam no. This is the kind of people in the MPP. These are the kind of people, and we all have to understand now. Here dey be the Chairman Wontumi. You see now omo ka Chairman Wontumi say sorry, I'm trying to find NPP MPs will sleep at Yoko until Wontumi is treated fairly. Monko busana adwi say when ete eye Yoko office wo. MPs catch Chairman Wontumi say yanko baby a ye betena ha kopim say ye be you ye nti ase me say nwumre kokohwe kwasiafo akode do mo jantena girlfriends echi. Omu MPP base ni say omu ejimi. Omu mbu omu because omu adwene wo form. This is a political party, Brother Chapo, to meet your report, not running resource about. And some of them will fall for it. Inti Omuka Chairman Wontumi, MPP MPs, we are going to stay out here till Chairman Wontumi is treated fairly. Ever since the Chairman Wontumi is still in. Koyoko anymore kwasi ampenyi when group of 77 fools, you know, sabakumpo tiwa, they are gone. Mami way and sa boy way. omo na omo say MPP no. From the day omo ye afenyo marking minority leader na MPP ni gu ye. They it means to say the party does not have any intelligent leader leading them. Mibusa o me say go back to Yoko office. Nebusa almost say.
Me therefore ne sensema Kevin Taylor de tuja enie yenti ensema yati so ono tutu bi ede mane eye dom kumafo no ni titiri ane dom kuma ba no dani owura afonyo markings a enya asem keto yenti bi mra
enura a whole members of parliament akwa tena form te second dagate fo a wo mudi agwa wo futrom ase enkura keto a omo bonkuro e wa abonten members of parliament a Ghana for asalai akoto abama womo enim defo a yesu se womo ye category bia ye de honorable attach womo din. You see how the so-called honorable people omo behave. These are your members of parliament, the so-called honorable. And now me video this and I'm like now enkofo went to omo drain. One more thing, and now I'm not done playing your home, and we are going back to parliament. I'm going to take a decision. Now, parliament, you know, what the end of what the end of parliament, within a year now, so one do a jury. Wako we are watching Timunkofonsa, and what's about parliament now be one cadia ope. Another premier, and non casama ya papada. We shall we abono. We shall we are say. We shall we are say. As a papa be anywhere not on pray. Waka we are say. And more members of parliament are not to Abama almost say. Omu kwa Ghana mrasebe jofiomu kwa shamrano. Yase yachi wobia. Yesusu say. Wabo omaini krono. Wedi omaini wu. Enyaso omaini kwao. Ezim banke tini bebi ejini. Ebua Africa na se ebua bibrem. Say yebeti mienye sikadi ya mpuntu ono. Wamo sukra ewa issue ewa Wontumi huntino. Yokofua yen semnumu shishemua. Members of parliament na Ghana for binom asalai anaju de suom ni ahomache agina wiem atu abama omo womo behavior I say enkwada womo tim futuro bo mudim womo bonkuro these are the kind of people a womo ti Ghana parliament a womo hemrama minu mienu na way nyasadia be pa no be your brashe badwafiam a ebenya sunsaso because say womo IQ level no say na time dwen say yachi obi a wabu mra so yachi obi a waye bibi a etia oman ne mra obi a ohemra yaso obi abusa mra kro na so say nipa no yachi no ne ade na fa emra kro na kwan so a emra shebadwani ne se onte ase eti wakotena fom e bonkuro wakotena fom e kan kwasem. You see, move for Sunipa Mayaka, the any quasi yaka. You way more and penny for penny toto, and to say, ya to Abama. Look at their behavior. Look at them. And now, I who you say, it's on my ya see ya chicheno. Say na ya chicheno. No amudi kai asem jofo nhia mu ansa na omukobọ nkuro no
medafo na je se si ya ensem a efa chema Wontumi ho e na etwaguo e wo abefo tintan fidie no a mede bi esom wo no de be fi akira ba bia no be sande be ba be som mede ni biem e ya akosi aboaje wa donko makram